Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to make one of your secret Pinterest boards public, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to change your board's privacy settings and share your favorite pins with the world. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your boards. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture or icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, you'll see several tabs at the top of your profile. Tap on the one labeled Boards. This is where all your boards, both public and secret, are stored. Scroll through your list and find the secret board you want to make public. Once you've found the board, tap on it to open. Now, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. These dots are your gateway to more options. Tap them to open a menu. From the menu that appears, select Edit Board. This will take you to the board settings page where you can adjust everything from the title to the privacy settings. Now, look for the option that says Keep this board secret. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. If the toggle is on, your board is private. To make your board public, simply tap the toggle to turn it off. Once you've switched off the Keep this board secret option, don't forget to save your changes. Tap Done in the top right corner. Your board is now public and anyone can discover and follow it. That's all it takes. Now your board is visible to everyone, and you can start sharing your ideas, inspiration, and favorite finds with the Pinterest community. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what other Pinterest tips you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!